Hey, how you doing, traders? Hope you had a wonderful trading week, catching with some bulls or some bullish sentiments right over here. And those who caught them, congratulations. So let's dig into what I anticipate is going to happen next week. First of all, we're bullish, and price came to consolidate around this area right over here. However, having it in mind that price is bullish, I will mark out my last candlestick close, just like this, just like that, right over here, and this one right over here. Okay, if you to zoom in, we have some bearish sentiment that came in. Already I can see a potential morning star. Pardon, correct me if I'm wrong, write in the comments if it's a morning star or evening star. But with such a pattern forming, this one right over here on the above, I anticipate that price may go bearish. And already we have resistance right over here, so price may to break through this resistance level right over here, and so I anticipate that price may go bearish, or it may not, but it may continue on the bullish run, making this a rally-based rally formation. So lowering down on my H4 here, we are bearish, and looking to the left, we can see some bit of consolidation and a downtrend. Then price came and made some bullish behavior right over here. However, what I'm looking out for, I am very simple as it is. I want to see what price will do right over in this area right over here. But looking at my behavior time frame, going back to H4, if price continues bullish, then I may wait to see, or I may take some bullish positions and wait and see whether price will break through right over here. Come retest. If price will come back and retest, yes, yeah, okay, then I will look for a bullish continuation. And looking at I love spotting out inverted head and shoulder patterns. So turning on my line chart, I see that we have a sharp corner right over here. This is a beautiful sharp right corner, so which will give me which I'll wait to see if it will give me a beautiful pattern formation of an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So if price will let me assume if price continues to palmate to test this support area, then come and break out. I'm looking for price to on this level right over here. I want price to form this kind of behavior. Come and test this, come back, retest it, breakthrough, come back, retest. Pardon me. Yes, so I want to see price. Do something like this, form a W pattern, or maybe maybe consolidate around this area, then I'll look for buys to the top. So if price can create this kind of formation breakthrough here, come and retest, we shall have a potential double bottom right over here. Right over here, anticipate a potential double bottom if price does behave like that. Now all this I want to see it on I can see it on any time frame, but preferably I want to see it on the 30 minutes time frame. But let's proceed with the 4 minutes, 4 hour time frame. So we have a potential sharp corner. It may be validated or not, but whatever the case, I'll be looking out for that. If price does tap to this resistance and give us formation of bearish continuation, then I'll look for sales. But if price does break through, then I'll be definitely sure that the bullish run is still on. Yes, so I guess that's my analysis for well, I'm looking for buys and to see what happens over here. Exactly. Let me see what DXY is potentially showing me. What is DXY potentially showing? We had, as you can see, we had price reject this supply zone right over here. This one over here, it broke through, came back, retested it, then went to the downside. So it came back and tapped one of the demand zones right over here. It wasn't respected, but then in the end the demand zone was respected and we saw some bullish run. So looking at what is we're most likely to anticipate, we are bullish, so that means on gold we have to be looking for sales. Yes, I will not delete these zones right over here because they are of great importance to me. But however, the last candlestick was bullish and we saw some bullish run. Let's see what is happening on the weekly. Weekly, here we are. It came, tapped this resistance or supply level. We don't know if to break through or to respect the supply level, but what I can say, the main thing is that we are bullish, so I should be anticipating sales on gold. Yeah, we're anticipating sales on gold. So anticipating sales on gold and lowering down to my H4. We're already on we are on a supply area, but I anticipate the supply will be disrespected, won't be respected, to be violated. I anticipate so. Since we are bullish, I should be anticipating for bears on gold. You have to look out for sniper entries in that regard. So price probably may break through and continue to the upside, or alternatively it may end up respecting the supply zone. Then we'll see some bearish sentiment once it's bearish here, so we shall be looking for buys on gold. So I hope this helps. I hope